Welcome to a world where money works for you, not the other way around. Today we're diving into the 5 secrets to wealth accumulation that could change your financial future. Ready to unlock the secrets to wealth? Buckle up. First up on the richness roadmap, the right mindset. The journey to wealth isn't a sprint, but a marathon, and your mindset is your compass. It's about thinking strategically, being open to learning, and surrounding yourself with people who inspire you. Reading, for instance, opens up a world of knowledge, wisdom, and different perspectives. It's not just about the destination, but the journey, the learning, the growth. So sharpen your mind, and you're one step closer to wealth. Moving on to secret number 2, diversification. It's crucial not to rely solely on one source of income. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. Diversification acts as a safety net. When one stream faces a downturn, others can buffer that blow. It's also a growth strategy. The more income streams you have, the faster your wealth can multiply. This could be anything from real estate, stocks, side hustles, or even a blog. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Third key to richness, financial education. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of finance, it's your stepping stone to prosperity. Understanding money management, how to budget wisely, and the ins and outs of investing can unlock doors to wealth accumulation. Books, online courses, seminars, there's a wealth of resources at your fingertips. So, dive into the world of financial learning and let the wisdom guide your decisions. Equip yourself with financial knowledge and conquer the world of wealth. Fourth secret to wealth, smart investing. It's not just about stashing money under your mattress, it's about making your money work for you. Diversify your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Don't take a leap of faith, take calculated risks. Do your homework, understand what you're investing in, or seek professional advice. The stock market isn't a casino, and real estate isn't a lottery. It's about strategy, knowledge, and timing. Invest wisely and watch your wealth grow. Finally, the 5th secret, patience and consistency. Wealth building isn't a sprint, it's more like a marathon. It's about setting your sights on the long-term horizon and staying committed to your financial plan. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune be. It's about planting seeds, watering them consistently, and waiting for them to grow. Remember, the magic of compound interest needs time to work its wonders. Patience and consistency, your faithful companions on the journey to wealth. Now, that's a wealth of knowledge. We've traversed the landscape of wealth creation, from the importance of a strategic mindset, diversifying income streams, acquiring financial education, smart investing, to the crucial role of patience and consistency. Remember, wealth building is a journey taken one step at a time. So are you ready to become rich? Subscribe for more wealth building wisdom. Until next time, keep growing your wealth.